It's really hard to find low-sodium salad dressing, so I make my own. I make small amounts. This is my ranch, and today we're making French. I only make small amounts because I don't have any kind of a lab or anything that lets me know how long it's going to be good for. I already plan no more than 4 days. So that's what we plan on. So I made my French dressing the other day. And what I do, I write it down, and if I like it, I type it up, and I can use it again. If I don't like it, I throw it away. And then, when the spirit moves me, I try it again until I get it right. I wrote it down. It's got a good flavor to it. But when I started to type it up, I couldn't find it. And I think I remembered everything except there's a difference in the kimchi. So we're going to use 4 tablespoons, a quarter cup, and we'll taste it. And if it needs 2 more teaspoons, we'll put it in. It's just real hard to take it out of there. So, in my jar here, we have my recipe. Half a cup of canola oil. And I like it because it's light tasting. It's not overpowering. I don't want any kind of an oil like a heavy olive oil. Just a light one. Half a cup. Heinz, no salt added, ketchup. I put in 4 tablespoons for 20 milligrams of sodium. 2 teaspoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And that is one reason I don't keep it more than 4 days, because it's fresh. You don't know how long it stays good for. It has no sodium. Ground mustard, a half a teaspoon, has 0.15. Onion powder, an eighth of a teaspoon. 0.15. Paprika, half a teaspoon, is 0.5. Ground pepper, a half teaspoon, is none, and quarter cup of white sugar has none. This is so easy. So easy. I'll take all that stuff, put it in your jar, and shake it. And just shake the heck out of it. Just shake it. That's it. You're going to shake it, get it all in there. And then we're going to give it a taste test. See what it does. I got some lettuce over here. Yeah, we're going to see just what it does. What I should have done was put my sugar in last, because it is kind of caking down on the bottom. Kind of caking a little bit down on the bottom. So, it's in there. Now we're French dressing. Total, counting everything, has got less than 21 milligrams of sodium. Ooh, that's kind of good. Kind of good. Folks, I think we got it. I think we got it. A little lettuce, because we're going to try it and see. We'll see. Oh, that is pretty dadgum good. I like it. Good dressing. All that much. Less than 21 milligrams. Happy day.